This is DJI Spark, and today I will quickly show how you can switch on or off the obstacle avoidance on this drone. So at the start, you will need to launch the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Next step, look at the top right corner of the display and tap at those three dots to launch settings. Here select the second category that you'll find here, the second icon, that is visual navigation settings, and on top you'll find the master toggle that reads as enable obstacle avoidance, so simply switch it on if you would like to enable obstacle avoidance, or switch it off if you would like to fly your aircraft fully manually with no additional assistance, even though we do not recommend that you switch this feature off, since it will help you a ton. You can take my word on that. Anyway, that would conclude this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.